to work with that instead. Might actually roast off a couple of potatoes too, but first and foremost, we're going to start here. Now this carrot is kind of it's kind of on its way out, but it is still more than adequate for the purpose. So we're just going to peel it. We're going to do a little bit of knife work, and we are going to. I'm not even going to roast it. I'm actually going to prepare what's called a courbouillon. By which is a courbouillon is basically just a French for a quick stock. So the stock is the liquid in which many things are cooked, or that are it's what you use to make pretty much everything. It's just liquid that has flavor. Well, yes, I know, but that's what weekends are for, right? Alternatively, you're on your spring break. Ahem. So, for processing a carrot, honestly, there's not a whole heck of a lot to it. We're just going to, for start, I'm just going to do what we call the roll cut. So you take a, every dentist and orthodontist, most of their business is teenagers. When are they going to be available? Weekends. So when you start, let's see, what's the best way to show this off? Something like that. I'll go over here. So you start here, you do an angle cut, then you roll it 90 degrees, and you do it again. You roll it 90 degrees so that the angle is just like this, and then you cut it like so, and you continue to do that until you run out of carrot. Now this is a pretty useful way to get not uniform but consistently sized vegetable cuts out of something like root vegetables. So they all have the same sort of wonky wedge shape, but they are all about the same size and shape. And one carrot is plenty enough for the two of us, so we are going to prepare a courbouillon. We're going to begin with water. Obviously. Hold on. I did a stupid. We begin with cold water. Let's swing back to the stovetop for a second. There we go. We're going to put our carrots in the cold water, because that is how you do things when you are trying to cook them. Especially root vegetables, you always want to start them, if you're going to blanch them or boil them or whatever, you want to start it in cold water. Why? Because that will ensure a more even change in temperature. So we're going to add a bunch of salt to this water. We're going to add some sugar to this water as soon as I remember where the hell I put my sugar. Here we go. Yes, I know this looks weird. This is piloncillo. This is basically the Mexican brown sugar. It's wonderful. I love the stuff, but it's made, a lot of times it's made like old style. The reason that it's in a cone shape is because that's where it goes, because it's poured into molds. Did you really just, oh my God. I'm going to get you for that, Husky.